On this is crazy. Oh my god, they're all racing on top of each other.
Action! Yeah, I started like 4 seconds ago.
What?
Video. You know, I was taking a video of snails all molesting each other. It's hot. Pick your favorite. Hello Kitty. That's cruel and unusual.
Oh, I lied.
Oh, she lied.
Oh, she didn't.
Dude, look at that. Your snail's on top of the oh, I fell. Where the hell do you think you're going?
Oh, I know what you are. You're a mushroom.
Hey, help me with this.
Hold on.
Help me with this. Get your suctioning. Ah!
Oh, I just knocked it down. It's a mushroom. I found it. Can I put a sail on it?
It's not gonna hold up. Oh my god, you're climbing over the little one!
Oh my god, it's gross. It's still grinding on it.
Can you get it out of its goop? You just killed one. I killed one. Oh my god, look at that. It's crapping it. So, oh my god!
Gross. Do you see that?
Look at this. Its shell came off. You tried to kill him.
But it did.
And you're taking a massive dump. Look what a snail looks like without its shell. I'm gonna break the rest off. Oh, maybe you're not supposed to touch it because it just. Okay, you're dead. No! You're in my crotch. Where are you going for, Helio? I named this one for Helio. This one's Dumpster. This one is Carlos. That's your snail.
Carl.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Okay, so Carl, that looks like a turd. Carl number 2. Blackie.
Want me to wash my hands after this?
Oh my god.
Is it pooping?
Speedy Gonzalez. This one. Oh, look at that. What did you do? Bad. This is Dumpster.
I think your thing can get your camera time.
Yeah. And scene.